Hey, this is Steve from deadbeatcustoms.com, giving you a closer look at the Speeder 2 black turn signals. These turn signals come with 3 different lenses: red, amber, or smoked. The mounting stud is 1 inch long, requires slightly larger than a 3/8 hole to mount. These are not LED, it's a standard bulb. Here's a closer look at how the Speeder 2s look hooked up to a battery. These are a single filament, 2 wires, red is positive, black is negative. Here it is hooked up to a 12-volt battery. Take a look at the finish. You can see it's almost a wrinkle black. These come in at $39.95. At deadbeatcustoms.com we ship for free in the United States, over $100.